Okay guys, so welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the full collection of 1/12 scale diecast models of Royal Enfield Classic 500 and 350, and I'm also going to do a giveaway of 4 of these. So if you want to participate in the giveaway, the rules are: subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles and comment done. And you can buy these models at hobbytoys.co, and you can also use this code MADIWALI for free shipping. And we also made a miniature Royal Enfield dealership for this video, so if you want to see the making of that, I'll provide the link of that as well in the description of this video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates about the giveaway as well. Happy Diwali and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.